Corktown has been hit extremely hard, but instead of rolling over and calling it a day, the owners are investing new money with the specific purpose of keeping customers and staff as safe as possible when they're inside. Rod Cassimy shows us how they're doing it.
It's impacted us in so many ways. Most marketable way would be probably working on $2.5 million that we've lost so far.
To say the pandemic took a toll on McShane's in Detroit's Corktown neighborhood is an understatement. Like many businesses, they took a huge financial hit in 2020, not to mention the employees who got sick.
We had several people that had it, including myself. We did have one of our employees who was in critical condition, spent 18 days, I think, in the ICU at University of Michigan Hospital.
Today, Bob Roberts is fighting back, not to try and make up for lost revenue alone, but to try and keep his employees and customers healthy. This new device is aimed at doing just that.
So we decided to buy an in-room air filtration system.
Headquartered right here in Detroit, the DuraVent system was designed just months ago, specifically to try and help businesses fight COVID. It's a HEPA filtration system like the ones already in use on airplanes. McShane's is one of the first in this area to have the nearly $2,000 machine installed.
It's about the size of a refrigerator. It's fairly quiet.
This product is designed in mind to go into schools, into office buildings, to keep kids safe, teachers safe, get people back to work.
So this is how the DuraVent HEPA filtration system works. It pushes clean air out the top of the machine while sucking in dirty, dusty, and potentially COVID-filled air through the bottom of the machine. Bob believes that it's the reason why his employees haven't gotten sick.
We have one of our employees who suffers from really bad allergies. She would literally have to take at least a couple of breaks a shift, go in, blow the nose, clean herself up a little bit. She stopped asking for those breaks, and she said that when she's at work, she doesn't even need her medication.
And since it was installed, none of his employees have gotten COVID. It gives Bob, his workers, and some customers peace of mind. In Detroit, Rod Cassimy, Local 4.